Easy Way Yoga with Neha. Today we are going to see yoga for back pain. So let's get started.
Sit in Vajrasan, opening your arms, your left arm on your left side, right arm up, and just stretch your body. Inhale, come back, your right arm down, left arm up, and just stretch your sides. Again, come back, interlock your fingers from back side, inhale, stretch back, open your heart, open your shoulders, and exhale, slowly bend forward. Inhale, come back, again stretch back, and slowly while exhalation, bend forward, try to touch your forehead to ground if possible. Open your shoulders from back side and slowly come back. Feel the stretch openings in your thorax and again bend forward, opening your upper back and middle back. Relax your arms, breathe in and breathe out. Come in cat and cow pose. Your hip and knee in one line and your shoulder and wrist should be in one line. Cat and cow pose. Breathe in, look up. While exhalation, suck your belly in, round your spine, feel the stretch. Again breathe in, pull your navel down, and while exhalation, again curve your spine. Feel the stretch. This is very beautiful stretch for your spinal health, back pain, and overall spine flexibility. Keep doing until you feel relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly, right arm up, thread and needle pose. Your right arm inside your left shoulder, neck, and your arm in one line. Feel the twist. Normal and natural breathing. This will open up your lower back and mid back. Again, breathe in your left arm up and while exhalation, slowly your left arm under your right arm. Your shoulder, neck, and your arm in one line. Twist your body, look up, feel the stretch. Slowly get up. Next exercise for back pain is downward facing dog, that is mountain pose. Your knee should be straight, elbow and your spine should be straight. Look at your navel and just inhale and exhale, relax. Your hip down, Bhujangasana. Again come back to Parvatasana, that is mountain pose. Feel the stretch. The back is straight completely, knee down, hip down. Bhujangasana, upward facing dog. Lie down on your chest and relax for a while. Both forearms on ground. Look front. Feel the stretch on your back. Breathe in and breathe out. Your elbows up. Shoulders away from ear. Again your elbow down. Feel the stretch on your back. Relax your back. Conscious breathing. Full awareness on your back. And relax. Bend your knees. And now for Ardha Dhanurasana. Grab your ankle, lift your upper body, your lower body as much as you can. Breathe in. Feel the stretch. This is for overall arm, your legs, your back muscles, shoulders, chest and abdomen muscles. Relax completely. Now slowly turn your side and lie down on your back. Relax your body completely and then get ready for Setu Bandhasana, that is bridge pose. Lifting your hip up, chin touching to your chest. Try to grab your ankle and then relax. We'll do again. With inhalation, lift your hip up as much as you can. Do not push your hips and then relax. Breathe in and breathe out again. Inhale up. Another variation, lift your heels up and your arms under your hip on your lower back muscles. Feel the expansion. Breathe in and breathe out. If it is intense for you, try to do the first variation where the heels were down and arms were relaxed. Come back slowly and hug your knees, massage your spine. Try to touch your head to your knee. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly relax your legs, open your arms. Twist your body, your knees towards your left and your neck towards your right. Now both your knees towards right and neck towards your left arm. Do not lift your shoulders. Observe the changes in your body. It will give more relaxation for your back muscles. Slowly hug your knees. Roll up and sit, grabbing your knees. Now your legs straight, knees straight. Inhale, both arms up and exhale, bend forward. This is Paschimottanasana for your overall back and leg muscles. Inhale and exhale, relax. Slowly bend your right knee, lock your left elbow to your right knee and look back. Twist your body. Shoulder, your neck align. Feel the stretch on your back and abdomen muscles. Slowly relax. Now other side, left knee bend. Lock your right elbow to left knee. Bend back. Twist back. Feel the stretch. Your shoulders align, neck align. Your back should be straight always. Inhale, come back and relax. Sit in Sukhasana, breathe in and breathe out, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to ground. Feel gratitude, feel relaxed. Be thankful to your body, your mind. Slowly come back, relax your arms, stretch back, open your shoulder. And thank you so much for watching this video.